Provincial New Zealand has an amazing opportunity on the table right now through the Provincial Growth Fund and through the Whakatāne Regeneration Programme. We're excited about this because not only is it going to enable this incredible revitalisation of the Whakatāne Town Centre, a new boat harbour, incredible infrastructure opportunities for our shining star of a marine industry, but also really strengthen, revitalise our CBD as a place where our residents love to work, live and play, but also be a tourism destination of a nature and culture that we're really proud of.
Well, the wharf redevelopment will be a game changer for our district. Bay of Plenty, the whole eastern Bay of Plenty, is high deprivation. Particularly we've got in the southern part of our district. So what this fund is doing is giving us a chance to move forward and to get projects that we would most probably look over the next 10 to 15 years, but now we can actually advance them. And hey, the whole idea is to get jobs. There's jobs and vibrancy. So we're now sitting down with Ngāti Awa as partners to look at what is best for iwi and what is best for the community. So we're coming up with some very exciting options that can actually support the extra tourist boats that are coming, support the boat building boats that are needed for berthage. We've got other commercial boats wanting to come here. So what can we build for the future of the district?
So we're delighted that Ngāti Awa are partners in this project in ka pō, ka ao, ka awatea, sharing in the achievement of their vision, their tribal aspirations, but bringing that to the fore that other people can enjoy, such as reconnecting people with the river, connecting the river with the escarpment, sharing that cultural heritage through stories expressed in multiple ways and forms in our town, and then creating a platform of which iwi throughout the district can also benefit from and uplift in terms of their aspirations, whether it's tourism or other opportunities, but all grow through this economic uplift.
The redevelopment of the commercial wharf provides an opportunity to reorientate the Whakatāne township, but it also provides an opportunity to better connect people with the river, the Whakatāne River, which provides cultural and social benefits for our community. We want to grow our tourism entities to provide employment, not only to Ngāti Awa people, but people here in the Eastern Bay of Plenty and the wider communities of Aotearoa. And of course, along with employment, we hope and we recognise that there will be associated positive social impacts for those communities.
We currently take around 16,000 passengers per annum to White Island, and of that 80% of our visitors are from the international market. So nowhere else in New Zealand can you walk on a live volcano, let alone in the world, where something that the town can really build off. And I think for us it's not just about getting people to White Island, we really want to see the area around us grow into a tourism precinct. We need our international visitors in particular to have restaurants to go to have accommodation providers to stay at. We want them to be able to do other activities while they're in Whakatāne. And now's our opportunity to not just build a new wharf, but to embrace what that means for the town and really creating an asset for Whakatāne's community and our visitors.
Well, I think it'll be huge. I mean, there's two big boat manufacturers here. There's two big boat manufacturing centres in New Zealand. Now Whakatāne's one of them and Invercargill's the other one, with there's four main manufacturers. Two of them just happen to be in Whakatāne. There's massive potential, but it's not only what we need. It'll create other service type work, all sorts of things based around the mooring and servicing of bigger boats. I think it's got huge benefit, and it'll be the key that ties the town together, sort of thing. If it goes ahead and it's done nicely, so I think it's hugely important.
The key to our district is opening up that wharf and marine precinct, and that will give so much confidence to other investors, and we'll just see the whole area grow.
We are the halo town really for the rest of the district, and the economic development, the social development that we can generate through this project will then have a ripple effect through the wider district in terms of jobs, employment, training opportunities, and greater wealth and greater economic opportunity in the district.
We want to build a bigger, better, brighter Whakatāne, not only for today but for future generations. We are here for the long term, and we want to make sure that everything we do has a long-term, sustainable, positive outcome.